Introducing our latest drying solution, the DryGuide Essential. Ingeniously engineered to dry containers up to 50,000 per hour. Delivering high performance from a compact design. Integrating our latest direct drive blower technology with integrated variable frequency drive for maximum efficiency. Near maintenance-free design with external filter access. Ergonomically designed sliding operator door for unrestricted access. Featuring our latest evolution of DryGuide Technology. Effective drying for containers of all shapes and sizes. Airflow is fixed into the optimal position for maximum performance. Top-mounted blower and adjustable frame. Delivered fully assembled for effortless integration into your production line. Drying, it's essential.